Meaning of grounded.
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 Grounded. Grounded can have several meanings, depending on the context. In general, it refers to having a strong basis or foundation, being practical and realistic, or being physically connected to the earth or another surface. For instance, a person may feel grounded when they have a sense of stability and security in their life, or a plane may be grounded when it is unable to fly due to mechanical issues. Overall, being grounded is associated with stability, practicality, and reliability, which can be valuable traits in many aspects of life.